back to my channel. Today we're going to see how to change unit in AutoCAD 2026. Let's get started. As you can see, my plane is already here, XY. So let's go on to the sketch. Okay, so let's draw a circle here. As you can see here, our unit is inch. If you want to change it, AutoCAD only has two different units, inches and millimeters. So here, let's go on Tools, Document Settings. Here you will see we have many windows here where we can navigate. Let's go on Unit and pick millimeters here. Apply and close. So now let's check if everything works. Let's go sketch. Let's pick our dimension here. As you can see, we are back in millimeters. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.